Welcome to Ask the Attorney. I'm Natasha Lubchenko. We're answering your toughest personal injury questions, and joining us today with expert advice is attorney John Haymond from the Haymond Law Firm. John, welcome. Today our viewer Frank needs your advice. Here's his situation. I was injured in a head-on accident. The person who hit me claims they didn't see me because I had a headlight out. I suffered a concussion and a broken shoulder from the collision, and I'm worried about paying my bills. What advice do you have here, John? Tough situation.
Well, Frank, you haven't exactly provided sufficient information in order for me to answer this question. So oftentimes I receive inquiries and I need to tell them to get on the phone and call me so I can get all the facts. In this case, I'm going to presume that the accident occurred on Frank's side of the roadway. So that accident occurred either by somebody going straight into his lane of traffic, or in the alternative, somebody turning left into his lane of traffic. If it's straight into his lane of traffic, regardless of the lack of the headlight, the other party is unequivocally at fault 100%. Now, Frank, you may receive a ticket for lack of a headlight, but on the other hand, it doesn't affect and impose any penalty on the issue of liability. If the person turned left in front of you, again, they may impose what's called comparative negligence and say you are partially at fault. My view is that you could have been driving a motorcycle, which only has one light, and so you're clearly not at fault.
All right, some missing information here, but thank you for clearing some of that up, John. And if you have personal injury questions, email them to asktheattorney@haymondlaw.com. For now, I'm Natasha Lubchenko, and we'll see you next week.